A few thoughts on technology. So the technology is the means by which your learning is going to be delivered, the means by which it is created, the way in which it is received, and the tools used to respond, to create, to collaborate, and to achieve whatever learning goals are developed. It's not going to be enough to think that you know how technology will work for you, but also how does it work for the people learning from and with you. Some key things to consider are expense. Is it something everybody has access to, the technology that you're going to use? Do they need to buy software or hardware if they're going to access the learning? Is the material affordable for you? You may think that a slick movie is the way to go, but does that require expensive cameras, editing software, sound equipment, lighting, and all the expense that comes with such a setup? The expense is something you have to consider in designing your learning. Then, consider the skills required. You may be expert in designing materials and using web design tools, film equipment, mobile technology, chat, forums, webinars, a whole range of things, but what skills do your learners need? Will they be trained? Do you offer advice? Do you offer support? Can they do it already? How do you know? This also links to the accessibility of your material. Not everybody has an iPhone, for instance. Not everybody even has a smartphone, but do they need to have? Do they need to have accessibility to the internet? What about bandwidth issues, downloads? Is all your material in a version of Microsoft Word that most people can access, or is it the latest version? How do they download things if they need a latest version, they don't have it and they can't afford it? It's all about the detail. What do you consider when designing your technology?